What if every time you got paid, you knew exactly where each dollar of that paycheck was going? Some would go to bills, some would be set aside for future plans, and some would go to weekly expenses. No more mental math trying to figure out what you can afford. No more stressing about money. With a YNAB budget, you can make a plan for your money that works for you. When you set up your budget, tell it what your expenses and savings goals are. And with expenses happening in the future, your budget will tell you how much to set aside each month to save up for them. Then, tell YNAB how much money you have in the bank right now. That amount will show up at the top of your budget, and you decide which categories to put your dollars in, just like putting cash in an envelope. Now when you check your budget, you know exactly what your money is doing for you. Every dollar has a job. And every time you use your budget, you'll feel more and more in control of your money.